My name is Mr. Jones. I'm the auto shop, auto diesel instructor here at Amphi High School. And of course, any opportunity I get to bring in industry or post-secondary schools for further training out of high school, I make any effort I can to make that happen. What we're doing today is we brought down a supercharged small block Chevy T-Bucket. We also brought down a racing dirt bike to show how STEM integrates into the auto diesel industry, whether we're working on motorcycles, boats, cars, trucks, pieces of equipment. Science, technology, engineering, and math is incorporated in everything we do in the industry. And what we're doing today is a STEM demonstration to show how STEM interacts with the auto diesel industry. Well, we're very fortunate to have Chad Ogle and Andy Hill here from UTI, Universal Technical Institute. Of course,